Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. Man, I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see the title, I am at a supercar meet over here in Katy, Texas. Man, this place is beautiful. Just the buildings, everything is amazing over here. I'm gonna show you guys as many cars as I can. Of course, only the good looking ones, the best ones I can find. So stay tuned for the video, it's about to get better. Let's go. Guys, look at this blue right here. This thing is insane. I'm about to get an aerial shot of this nice one.
I wanted my dad to get the bottom down, but
I think this is a rate. Damn. Yo, look at this C8, guys. This color is beautiful. I know on the camera it might look like it's white, but it's not, guys. This is an amazing color. Yo, do you know what color this is?
It's like a gray, huh?
Yeah, right? It's crazy.
That's the color I'm thinking about painting the car.
Damn. Yo, yeah, that'd be amazing, bro. Oh, this is my neighbor right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I heard this thing yesterday, bro. This thing was freaking loud. We got a 4 GT right here, the OG. Oh, okay, so he's selling his.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, he's not gonna list the price. Nice. So he got
high flow cat,
stainless exhaust.
Yeah, stainless exhaust.
Okay. He has Vossen wheels. Let me see them.
okay, nice.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
That's a nice car. Yeah.
Louisiana. Registered in Louisiana. Yo, look at this right here. Yo, look at how the color comes out on the camera. Bro,
They're up enough to get over bonds.
I love the car, man.
And honestly, it was better on a
Beautiful color. Yeah, look at this. I think it's a 570, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so it's a 570S, guys, with a carbon fiber pretty much everywhere. Dude, this whole thing right here is just carbon fiber, bro. Pretty much.
That's a badass color. I like that.
What?
That color.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I've never seen this before, actually. Yeah. Do you know what Ferrari this is?
48 Pista.
488?
Pista.
The Pista?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I've seen this on YouTube. TJ Millionaire Mentor has one.
Yeah, I need like 12.
Yeah, you need like
Yeah, I
12?
need like 12. And
It's so much fun.
over there too, the RX-7.
Yeah.
I take that RX-7 over any one of these cars, bro, straight up.
Really?
Yeah. People don't understand, man.
Yeah.
That car is rare as
I see carbon fiber wheels, man.
Yeah, that's gnarly. $25,000 wheel right there.
Wow.
Probably more.
Y'all look at this, man. 488 Pista. And this thing has a hole right there, guys. You guys see that? Aerodynamic. It sucks in all the air and pushes it up right here. This thing is insane. You see the hole in the game? Oh, oh my, hey bro, it looks better from the back, Gabe. Look at it. Damn, guys, look at this. So carbon fiber, pretty much this whole thing right here. The whole diffuser. And pretty much everything in the engine bay is also carbon fiber. Wow. This one's just more relaxed, you know what I mean?
I feel like it's more like a cruiser.
Yeah. It's like if you got both, like this your daily, you know what I mean?
The bags that we keep trying to buy.
Yeah. Yo, that thing must be fun, bro.
I bet. It's just like that or
Wow. I don't know which Lambo this is though.
the Huracan?
It's a Huracan?
Yeah. The thing is, I think these are all-wheel drive.
Nah, I'll take the Pista.
Everything.
Yeah, I'll take the Pista.
I like how it looks better.
Yeah. Damn. What you think about this? This is not wrap, is it?
No, that's carbon fiber.
The body?
Oh, the
No,
body.
this is this a wrap?
I don't know.
Looks
It
pretty
like
good.
that.
Looks pretty good, right? They did a good job on it. If it is a wrap.
I didn't know that this carbon fiber is expensive.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that blue, bro. That thing is like blue. That's crazy. Look, the C8s look good and all, but the C7s are still better. Especially like this ZR1 right here. See it? I'll still take this one.
This fast? Oh no, I don't know.
Yeah, this is ZR1.
No, yeah, but ain't it this still one faster than that one?
Yeah. So, yeah, this one's like like the fastest Corvette you can get.
For right now, until they make the Z06 and ZR1 and this
Yeah. But this one, in my opinion, looks better than this one.
one. I like the color on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, this one's nasty, bro. God damn. Damn, look at this. The whole thing is carbon fiber right here. Even the base for the spoiler. So it's an underground racing. Yeah, this is the one I heard yesterday. It was freaking loud, man. Oh, what is this?
Karma.
Oh. The Revero. I've never seen that logo before. Yo, if you guys know what this is right here, put it down in the comments. I have no idea. Maybe from the back it'll say. Let me see. It's a Karma. What? Look at that.
This is the Karma?
It's a Karma, guys. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. So it looks like it's a Karma Revero.
Oh, you know those cars are all electric, right? Like, look at the panels. Those are that's solar panels.
No way, I see it.
Yeah.
Is it like, you sure it's electric?
Yeah.
And no exhaust? Yeah, no exhaust tips. Guys, look at this right here. These are all solar panels on the roof. This is insane, guys. I don't know if it can come out on the camera, but that's solar panels right there. And then y'all see this right here. That's an amazing color. ZR1, another one. These are amazing, guys, any day. We have a 720S right here. Yo, this thing is beautiful, guys. Look at it. We have some Porsches right here, Porsche guys. And then look at this red. Tell me that's not the most beautiful red, guys. This thing is amazing, guys. Wow.